seat, please. Okay, tell me something about yourself.
So my name is Punita Jadhav. Its Sanskrit meaning is pure or holy.
Okay.
I recently passed class 6 from SSC Concept School, which is CBSE board school that is located in my hometown. My age is 11 years.
Okay. And what about your parents?
So my father's name is Sunil Kumar. He is a government teacher, and my mother's name is Pindi Devi. She is a housewife.
Okay, can you tell me how you reach here to give interview?
So from my hometown, I booked Gomti Express.
You booked or your father booked?
So my father booked
Okay.
Gomti Express to Lucknow station, and from Lucknow station we book a cab and
Okay.
reach here.
That's good. So why you want to join this UP Sainik school?
So I want to join UP Sainik school because it gives me a competitive platform, and it is well disciplined organization and
Okay.
gives me a disciplined and special personality.
Okay, that's very good. So do you have some hobbies?
Yes sir, I like to do paintings.
Painting. What type of paintings you would like to do?
So natural paintings.
Like scenery.
Yes sir.
Okay. So you made it a sketch one or you made it with colors?
Six colors.
Colors. Okay. Do you know any famous artist?
Yes sir.
In
And
India?
my Hussain.
Okay. So do you like to travel also?
Yes sir.
Where? At what places you would like to travel?
Sir, historical places
Historical places like
like Taj Mahal, Red Fort.
any of the places that you have ever visited?
No sir.
You have not visited. You like travel but you don't visit.
Sir, Taj Mahal. Right.
You visited Taj Mahal, na? Tell na, yes, you have visited. You have to tell it. Yes, I have visited Taj Mahal. So who built the Taj Mahal?
Sir, Shahjahan.
Okay, it is made of what material?
Sir,
Basically, it is made of white marble.
White
Na?
marble.
So you have to tell it clearly. It is made up of
White
white marbles. Okay. Shahjahan built for whom?
sir, his wife Mumtaz Begum.
Mumtaz Begum. Okay. There are how many members in your family?
Sir, 9 members. My grandparents, my parents, and my uncle aunts, B2 siblings, and my cousin.
Okay, that's very good. Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
So vegetarian.
Okay, so as a vegetarian, what do you like to eat the most?
Sir, Sahi paneer with butter roti.
Don't hesitate in giving the answer. He just asked. I am just asking about yourself only. That what you would like to eat. You have to suddenly give the answer. Don't hesitate and don't take a time to give the answer. Okay? You are hesitating too much. Don't hesitate. Don't get clear. What you would like to become in future?
Sir, I want to become IAS officer.
Okay. From where you got inspiration of becoming an IAS officer?
So I got the inspiration to become IAS officer from my father, who told me many stories of IAS Deepak Rawat from
Who is he?
Uttarakhand cattle.
Who is he?
So IAS.
Who is? Where he is posted?
Sir, Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Okay. Yes, good. So, do you know who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh right now?
Yes, sir.
Who?
Sir, Anandiben Patel.
Who is the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh?
Sir, Sri Yogi Adityanath.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the biggest problem with our administrative system nowadays that you would change when you become an IAS?
So I will eradicate corruption from every department wherever I will posted and make the city crowd free so that the people travel on roads freely without traffic jam.
That's very good. So you have a good inspiration. Okay. What is your strength?
Sir, my greatest strength is that I solve problems quickly and efficiently.
That's good. And do you have some weakness also?
Yes, sir.
What?
So I easily trust on people, and later I was treated by some of them.
Okay. So you have to first judge the people, then you can trust them. That's very good for you. Okay. Do you know what is the full name of UP Sainik School?
Sir, so Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey Sainik School.
UP Sainik School. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, UP Sainik School. And where it is situated?
Sir, Sarojini Nagar, Lucknow.
Okay, that's good. So who inspires you to join the Sainik School?
So my father.
Father. Your father inspired you to join Sainik School. Do you also have interest in it, or you are just doing it for your father?
Sir, I am interested.
You have interest in it. That's good. So, do you know any place to visit here in Lucknow?
Sir, Lucknow Zoo.
Lucknow Zoo and
And sir,
Gomti River front. We have other stuffs also. Okay, tell me recently where in Uttar Pradesh the metro started and it was inaugurated by our PM Narendra Modi ji.
Sir, Gorakhpur.
Gorakhpur is not yet started. It was Kanpur where recently Narendra Modi, our honorable president, has come and he has started it. Okay, inaugurated it. Do you know anything about NDA?
Sir, NDA is National Defence Academy and
Okay.
is situated in Khadagwasta, Pune.
Okay, that's good. So, and else? Anything
And
else?
sir, It prepares the cadets for.
It not only prepares, it trains cadet
It
to
trains
become
cadet
a
to
gentleman
become-
cadet
Yes, sir.
for our defense forces in future. That's very good. So but you don't want to join NDA, na?
Yes.
You want to become an IAS officer and work as a civil servant and all. So why you only want to join as an IAS, not as a defense officer?
So because it is my dream to become IAS officer and I want to serve my country internally.
That's very good. So you want to be the essential part of the formation. Thank you. That's all you can do.
Thanks.
Thank you.
May I come in, sir?
Come in. Yes. Take your
Good
seat.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Take your seat.
Thank you.
Yes. Your name is Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Harsh. Tell me what is the meaning of your name?
So my name Sanskrit meaning is to Hृदय and I am also similar to it.
You should have a bit higher volume. Okay, pitch high. Okay, tell me something about your parents.
So my father name is Mr. Sarvendra Yadav and he is working as an engineer in
Okay.
Indus Private Limited.
Okay.
And my mother name is Miss Ravita Yadav. She is a housewife.
Okay. So okay, tell me something about your school in which you study.
So my school name is Daishan Senior Secondary School and it is a CBSE board school. It is located in two partitions. First for nursery to 6th and second for 7 to 12.
Okay, that's very good. So okay, what is your hobby?
So my hobby is to cooking.
What do you like to cook?
So I am fond of sandwiches.
Okay, you cook sandwiches.
Yes, sir.
So what types?
So like cheese sandwiches, onion, tomato,
Okay,
etc.
that's very good. So can you tell me what is your favorite sport?
So my favorite sport is cricket.
Okay, do you know recently which trophy is being organized in cricket?
So IPL, Indian Premier League.
Okay, where it is organized?
So it is organized in Ahmedabad and Mumbai.
Okay, who won the IPL?
So the Gujarat Titans,
Okay, who is the captain of this team, Gujarat Titans?
Mr. Hardik Pandya.
Okay, do you know recently we have a new team from Uttar Pradesh also?
Yes, sir.
What was its name?
The Lucknow Super Giants.
That's very good. Okay, so what is your favorite food?
So my favorite food is paneer with paratha.
Okay, that's good. So are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian
So
also?
vegetarian.
That's good. So why you want to join this UP Sainik school?
So I want to join UP Science School because it gives me a competitive platform and gives me a special and attractive personality to become an Indian Commission rank officer.
That's very good. So you want to become an Indian Commission rank officer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which forces you want to join?
The army,
It's not army, it's Indian army.
the Indian army.
Okay, you want to join Indian army?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you want to join Indian army as an officer or you want to go with some special forces also?
The special forces, sir.
Like what?
The para SF.
Para SF. So that the maroon beret one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why you like that?
So because we see in 2016 the Udi soldier strike that was done by the para SF Maroons.
Okay,
Cadets.
so you
So I
know very
want
well
to
about
fight
para
this,
SF. That's very good. So from where you got this inspiration of joining defense forces?
So from Mr. Gaurav Chaudhary,
Okay, who is he?
so he is serving as a president security.
Okay, that's very good. So you have very good information about the defense. I like that. So can you tell me who is the president of India now, right now?
So Mr. Ramnath Kovind.
Okay, that's good. So who is the present Air Force Chief?
So Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary.
V.R. Chaudhary. His full name is Vivek Ram Chaudhary or V.R. Chaudhary. That's good. So there were how many planets in our solar system?
So there are 8 planets in our solar system.
8 planets. Which is the brightest planet among them?
So Venus.
Venus. Good. So do you know which river flows behind the Taj Mahal?
So Yamuna.
Yamuna. Okay. What are prime numbers?
So prime numbers are those numbers that are divided by 1 or own.
Okay, one more itself. That's good. So do you know there were how many milliliter in 2 kiloliter?
Milliliter, sir.
Yes.
2 kiloliter.
Yes.
So about 10,000.
It's only
20,000, sir.
you forgot it. So what is the diameter of circle?
So the diameter of a circle
Is
is
radius
2
multiplied
r.
by 2.
2 r.
2 r or radius multiplied by 2. Do you know area of semicircle? Formula?
Area of a semicircle is 1/2 pi r square.
That's good. Okay. Do you know the perimeter of rectangle?
The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 L and 2 bracket में L plus B.
Okay. Do you know anything about this English and language like verbs?
Yes, sir.
So what are transitive and intransitive verbs? Okay, transitive verbs you don't know. Transitive verbs are those verbs which complete their meaning after using an object. Okay, in transitive verb, they don't require any object to complete the sentence. Okay, can you tell us more about exclamatory sentence?
Yes, sir.
What
The
are those?
exclamatory sentence are those sentences that gives our feelings to another person by the sentence.
Okay, they gives us certain feeling of
Yes.
joy, anger,
Yes.
or wonder. Okay, so do you know recently there were some countries in the world who are in the war?
Yes, sir.
Which two countries?
The Russia and Ukraine.
Why?
So because the Ukraine want to join the NATO and Russia is against that. So the Russia started a war against the Ukraine.
Okay, that's very good. So, what is this NATO?
So the NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization that was consists of about 30 countries, where the countries are supplying everything to the other countries that are in the NATO.
Okay, that's very good. So you have a good sense of humor. I hope you will be selected. Thank you. That's all for today.
Thank
can
you,
go.
sir.
May I come in, sir?
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You may take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sit down. Okay, your name is Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Gaurav, give me your introduction.
My name is Navneet Kumar and my age is 7 years and I am studying in Future International School. This school is CBSE school. and
CBSE board
CBSE.
affiliated school. Oh, who is your father?
My father's name is Mr. Ramesh Kumar. He is a CRPF officer.
Okay, tell me something about your city.
My city is famous for gas bangles.
I belongs to Freya district of Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for glass bangles in all over India. That should be the answer. Don't hesitate in giving your answer because you have to be proud of your city from which you belongs because that is your native land and you have to be proud in telling about it. So don't get hesitated. Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Playing cricket. So do you know there were how many players in one team in a cricket team?
Yes, 11 players.
Okay. So there were how many balls in one over?
6 balls.
6 balls. Recently the IPL has organized.
Yes.
What is the full form of IPL?
Indian Premier League.
That's good. So do you play? Do you want to play any other sports rather than cricket, like badminton or other things?
So chess and Euro.
Chess and ludo. Those are the indoor game or outdoor game?
Indoor games.
That's good. So what is your favorite place to visit? Why you are taking so long time to think about your favorite things? It's your favorite thing, na? Whatever you like to visit, you can tell the straight away give the answer. Don't take a long time, okay? Yes. What is your favorite place to visit? Means you want to visit historical places.
Yes.
So you have to give the answer in the way, sir, I would like to visit historical places like Red Fort, Taj Mahal, okay? Okay, do you have any place of interest or place to visit in your locality?
About 20 kilometers away from my house, there is famous Yotswa temple. There 101 temples are located at Bateshwar.
Okay, 101 temples.
Yes.
So it was on the bank of any river?
Yes, sir, Yamuna.
Okay, that's good. So what you would like to become in future?
I am Air Force officer.
You can speak bit louder. So you want to become an Air Force officer?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because I want to serve my country by becoming an air warrior.
Air warrior. Okay, so do you know recently any powerful aircraft has been introduced in
Rafale.
Air Force? That's very good. So from which country we purchase Rafale?
So, France.
France. That's very good. So why you want to join this Sainik school?
I want to join this Sainik school to get a perfect platform where I get opportunity to prepare myself to become an Air Force officer in future.
That's very good. So who is the present Indian Army Chief?
Indian Army Chief General Manoj Pandey.
Who is the present Air Force Chief?
Pardon, sir?
Who is the present Air Force Chief?
Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary.
That's very good. So do you know what is the full name of UP Sainik School?
Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, UP Sainik School.
When it was established?
In 1960, 15 August 1960.
Okay, that's very good. So do you know what are natural numbers?
Nature numbers starts from 1 to infinite.
Okay. Name the river situated in Prayagraj.
Sir, confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati.
That's very good. So do you know who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh?
Anandi Ben Patel.
Mrs. Anandi Ben
Miss
Patel. Okay. Who is your inspiration or idol? From whom you inspired?
From my teacher, Mr. Shuner.
Okay. He is your inspiration. Why?
Because he
What qualities you like of him? Who is your inspiration?
Inspiration.
Yes. You told na whom you got inspired with. I got inspired like from my grandfather or from some famous personality. And what are his qualities you have to explain. Like I got inspired from my grandfather as he is a very worthy person. He is a very honest person. I like the way he treated people. Okay, and I like his social work that he is a very helpful towards every people in society. So I also want to become same like him. Like that you have to answer. Okay, do you know what are supplementary angles?
Supplementary angles.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Supplementary angles are those angles which is 180.
Two angles whose sum is 180 degree. And do you know Anderson property of a triangle?
Pardon, sir?
Anderson property of a triangle.
Angles some property of triangle.
Yes.
So 180.
Yes. Okay. So can you tell me there were how many players in a basketball team?
Basketball team.
Yes. It's 5 players. Recently, who won the IPL?
Sir, Gujarat Titans.
Okay. Who wins? Okay. Gujarat Titans won the IPL. Okay. Can you stay in hostel?
Yes, sir.
You are not homesick?
No, sir.
You don't lag behind to go to home or any other things? Okay, that's very good. So, are you fond of eating fast food?
Yes. No, sir.
Yes or no? That's a confident answer.
No, sir.
No. Okay, that's very good because you want to remain healthy. You have to avoid fast food. Okay. Thank you. You can leave.